Finally, we are at Manjarabad Fort. I mean, road was bit confusing here where the entrance is. But as you come through this road, which I mean, you'll be coming, you have a parking on road. So as you can see, parking was a bit confusing here. So we came from that side and we just parked here on the road itself. As you can see, vehicles are parked, and a small end towards the right, I mean, end of the road, you can find this way towards the fort. So we are trusting this and we are going. Let's see where it takes us. So it's, I mean, seriously, I have no idea how much we have to walk, but there's some way, and let's
We traveled
keep
from Bangalore
walking.
and it took us almost around 3.5 4 hours to reach this fort. We took this Bangalore highway and followed the direction shown by Google Maps for this fort. So the direction for this fort shown by Google Maps is completely trustable. Few points to note down here is that this fort has no entry fees. It's completely free for everyone. Second, this fort has timings, that is, it's open only from 8 in the morning to 5 pm in the evening. Third, this fort has no indication or no signboard of itself. So the only way you can see that you have reached the fort is your Google Maps will show that you are at the destination, or if you are lucky enough, you can find a lot of vehicles parked around the fort. But guys, with friends or with families, it's completely amazing place to spend a day with. You can just travel whenever you're visiting around Hassan or Chikmagalur. The fort and the view is breathtaking. It's completely awesome, guys. Finally, we are entering this fort now. I was completely excited to see this fort. We have recorded a few videos there which I'll attach next. Please have a look at that.
Finally, I am at the highest peak of this Manjarabad fort, and the view looks beautiful. You can just see it, how amazing it is. It's a star-shaped fort, which probably you can't see in this mode, but I think you can Google it out to see how the view looks from top. But yeah, I mean, from this highest peak, you can see this view totally. I mean, hills, villages down here. I mean, it's cloudy, foggy, and it's raining too. So weather is almost pretty.
If you had a drone, you would have come and
See, here my friends who are doing some something weird, which you'll also do when you visit here. But for the view, it's awesome. I mean, it's worth your time. You can see there people enjoying, having relaxing time, and particularly in this weather. I mean, there's no sun above you. It's pretty cold, and you can just enjoy the lush green moments here. Raining heavily, so we are stuck in a dungeon here. So me with two of my friends, we are stuck here. So we are waiting for this rain to go off a little bit so we can go out and enjoy a different experience. I mean, coming to fort and staying in dungeon like a prison, like in the old times. But yeah, view is good, so we are experiencing the view from this dungeon. I mean, I don't know how the old age prisoners would have done that, but it's feeling quite awesome here. I can show you a glimpse of this. You can just see back of, I mean, it's not clearly visible, but you can see all this fort, all these people hanging out here. But it's raining, and for safety, we are in this dungeon. So after viewing this Manjarabad fort, we are now at its base, ready to move on to our next location. So here we can see we have find a man, I mean a small stall who is selling this corn, and in this cold weather it's chilling hot. I mean, it's beautiful time pass here. So you can see my friends who are eating a corn there with one eye open. So we have stayed for a small time here, enjoying our corn, and will be ready for our next destination soon.